Well team, what a year it's been. We've covered everything from shower shelves to substrate preparation, and that's a lot of learning. I am honored you stayed with me for the year. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane on each topic. This is the Tile Nerd 2024 Top 10, but stay to the end for a bonus tip and a special gift. Remember number one, layout and planning. This lays the groundwork for a perfect installation. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and a dry layout is worth 1,000 tiles. I know, I've broken a lot. Before you even pick up the trowel, visualize the project in a dry layout. The crucial steps are determining your grout size, too big or too small. A dry layout will help you find the perfect fit. Plan your cuts, avoiding those pesky little pieces that can ruin your masterpiece. Tricky walls that are out of square, layout lines can help you do that. Whether you're doing a simple herringbone or a complex mosaic, a dry layout ensures the pattern is flawless. Number two, substrate preparation, a strong foundation to a beautiful finish. A great tile installation starts with proper foundation. A proper substrate prep is the cornerstone to your successful tile project. Level and smooth is essential. Think of it when you're building a house. You need a solid foundation, or you'll have cracked surfaces and tile failures that add to costly repairs. Also, don't forget about the patching imperfections, especially on plywood subfloors. Those seams need help. A well-prepared substrate endures a long-lasting installation. So the next time you start a tile or stone project, remember, a well-prepared substrate is the key to a successful installation. Number three, grouting. Grouting is the finishing touch. Grouting is the finishing touch that brings tile installations to life. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but it also plays a crucial role in the longevity of your project. Choosing the right grout, cement-based is popular for their durability, while chemical-based grouts offer stain resistance. High-performance grouts, my personal favorite, are ideal for those challenging environments. Make sure you read the instructions. They're on the packaging for a reason. Follow them. By understanding the different types of grout and following the best practices, you can achieve a beautiful, long-lasting installation. Number four, the art of stone mosaics. Stone mosaics add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space, but they can also present some unique challenges. One of the most common is the windowpane effect, where you can see the grout lines visible between the sheets. To combat this, a meticulous dry layout is essential. It will not only allow you to visualize the pattern, but also tell you where you need to adjust your sheets to get rid of that effect. The stone also is stone and needs the same care and maintenance that you would use for any other. By understanding these challenges and employing the right techniques, you can successfully install stunning stone mosaics that will last for years to come. Hey, if you're getting value from this information, please hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any tile updates. And number five, one of my favorites, 3D tile. 3D tiles add a dynamic and modern touch to any space, but they also can come with some unique challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is dealing with penetrations for plumbing and electrical fixtures. To tackle this, you may need some specialized tools like a core bit or some outlet box extenders. Using the right tools and accessories can help maintain a clean and seamless look. Handling the inside and outside corners can require special planning, so take care. While the 3D tiles present a little extra challenge, with the right knowledge and techniques, you can create a stunning, functional space. Number six, you're working with glass tile. Glass tile adds a touch of elegance and luxury to any space, but it requires some special care and attention during installation. Cutting glass tile can be tricky. A simple wrong move can result in chips and breaks. Using the right tools such as a wet saw and an angle grinder or a cutting board with the right blades is crucial. After cutting, it's important to use your sanding block to ease the edges. By understanding the specific challenges of glass tile and using the appropriate techniques, you can create stunning and long-lasting installations. Number 7, understanding movement joints. One of the most common failures in the tile industry is the cracking of grout and tile due to movement. These movement joints are the unsung heroes that can help protect your installation against thermal expansion and contraction. Identifying where to use the movement joints is critical. Areas like corners and doorways, large areas with lots of windows are prime candidates. You got to choose the right sealant for the interior. The silicone sealant is popular, it's flexible, and it's durable. By understanding the importance of movement joints and following the proper installation techniques, you can prevent costly repairs and maintain the beauty of your installation for years to come. All this information is detailed in the TCNA manual EJ171. Number 8, protect your investment with a sealer. Sealers are great for the tile and stone industry. Protect your surface from stains, but you need to know when you need a sealer. Porous materials like natural stone and unglazed tiles are particularly susceptible to staining. In the industry today, there are 2 types of sealers, a penetrating sealer and a topical sealer. Penetrating sealers do just that. They go into the body of the material. A topical sealer adds a film on top, and these protect against your staining. When choosing a sealer, consider the desired finish. Enhancing sealers enhance the natural color, while a natural finish sealer provides protection without changing the look. To apply these sealers, carefully follow the manufacturer's recommendation on the packaging. Regular maintenance is required and reapplication of the sealers is necessary. This depends on how often your space is used. Number 9, elevate your shower with a Blanke shower shelf. Are you tired of the cluttered shower space? We've added Blanke shower shelves to our offerings this year. These are a stylish and functional solution to your bathroom organizational woes. Say goodbye to those messy bottles and soap bars. Blanke shelves effortlessly install directly into your grout joints, eliminating the need for drilling into your tiles. With a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors, you can choose the shower shelf to match your unique style. Upgrade your bathroom experience with Blanke shower shelves. It's easy, it's stylish, it's tile bar, and Blanke. Number 10, LVT Click Flooring. Click LVT is durable and stylish flooring solution that's easy to install. LVT Click offers the beauty of tile and stone without the hassle. It's water resistant, scratch resistant, perfect for high traffic areas. One of the keys is proper substrate preparation. Ensure your substrate is dry, clean, and level to prevent issues like tinting and buckling. The Click Lock installation system makes it easy for the LVT Click flooring installation to be done yourself. Simply click the planks together, no glue or nails. Hey YouTube, that's a wrap. I hope you found this year's review helpful. If you want a more in-depth about any of the subjects, there are full videos on my page. Before I get to the bonus tip, let me know your favorite tip in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And speaking of sharing, I thought it would be fun to share a few bloopers after the bonus. So let's laugh together and bring in the new year. You've been waiting all this time for your bonus tip, mastering the miter cut. Mitering tile is a technique that adds a clean and professional finish to your tile installation, especially at the corners. Let me give you some quick tips on how to do it. Measure and mark your tile. Choose the right tool. Are you going to cut it with a wet saw or are you going to cut it with a diamond blade on a grinder? Once you've made that choice, make your cuts slowly and carefully. After the cut, you're going to have some sharp edges. Always rub those down with a sanding block or sanding pads. Remember, practice makes perfect. Do a couple of test runs on some scrap tile and use a steady hand, take it slow, check your measurements, then go to your install. By mastering the art of mitering your tile, you can elevate your tile installation to the next level. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm assuming this is running because I can't see a thing. God bless America. Clean. Excuse me. I mean, is this middle school? Gosh. And they would drop the marble chips as accurate. No need to put that in there. A metal trim. Stupid. Heavy metal. Metallica. Metal trim. So keep that in mind as a little shower, pebble, stone installation knowledge nugget. I don't know. Knowledge nugget. I don't know. Hopefully we can make that fun. I hope you got a few laughs at my expense. Let's make next year even better. Stay on top of the latest trends in the industry right here. If you enjoyed this list, I've created a playlist right here for you to reference them all. And don't forget, in 2025, let's tile the world and make it a fantastic year. We'll see you next year.